Yo, what's up, my people? It's Ola Tony here with another banger strategy. So I'm going to give you guys this strategy. You can use it to grow small accounts very fast, very fast. In coming videos, I'm going to do a challenge with this strategy. So if you're a new member, like and subscribe. So let's dive into the video. So before I explain the strategy, let me show you guys the parameters I'm using. I have the main chart and I have my other indicator window. So let's have a look. So on our indicator window, we have the RSI, period 200, apply, close. Then the levels, we have 90 and 10. Then that's all. Then you need to be careful on the go to style. I use black because my chart is black. You understand? So if yours is white, use white. So that's it. So what do we have again? We have the MACD. So on the MACD, use the normal 247, 12, fast EMA 12, slow EMA 26. Then the MACD SMA 9. Apply to close. Then that's it. Then we add another moving average. Period 2, shift 0, method exponential, apply to previous indicator data. So that's it. Then style. So I'm using white because the color I use is white because my chart is black. So if yours is white, you can use black or any color of your choice. So yeah, let's dive into the strategy. So this is how it works basically. You look at the indicator window data. What do we have here? We have the MACD and the moving average. So whenever the MACD touches the level 10, this is for when we are looking for a bullish entry. So when the MACD touches the level 10 and our moving average crosses it upward, that's when we enter for a buy. But before that, let's still look at some things here. You zoom a bit so we can see it clearly. So this is where it crossed. This is where it crossed on this candle here. This is where it crossed. Then this is where it crossed. Then our entry will be on this candle. This is where our entry will be. Then your stop loss will be below here. Then take profit will be 1. Our take profits will be 1:2 or 1:3. But I advise you guys to do 1:2. Then when you get to that 2, because we can't predict the market, but it's like this strategy is more profitable when you are scalping, you know. So when you get to 1 to 2, you can shift your stop loss to 1 to 1. Then when you get to 1 to 3, you can shift your stop loss like that. Yes, because there's some trends that do come that will give us like 1 to 5, 1 to 6, 1 to 7, then some 1 to 1, then some break even. You guys get the gist. So let's look for a bullish a bearish pattern. So we have one here. This is one here. So this is one here. It touches. So we can see here, this hit our stop loss. Let's see if this gave us a 1 to 1 or maybe a break even. Let's see. So it crossed here. It crossed here. It crossed here. And this is our entry. So this trade didn't come. Hits our stop loss. So when we move forward, what do we have here? It touches. So in some cases, it's not a must. It must touch that level 90, but when it must like at least approach it. So if you like, you can put maybe level 80. Level 80 is okay, but when it's on level 90, it's a stronger trend. You understand? A stronger indication. So what do we have here? It crossed it here. Let's cross it here. Then this is our entry candle. What do we see? It dropped. So I think here we can get let's say quick 1 to 3. Yeah, we can get a quick 1 to 3. So that's just it basically. We can take more examples. This is the examples here. And an example here. Let's see where it crossed. Let's see where it's crossed. Let's see where it's crossed. Crossed here. Then we enter here. Put our stop loss here. I think we could get 1 to 3 or 1 to 2 here. So that's it, guys. This is a very good strategy. If you are very consistent with these and you manage your risks, you don't use too much bloated lot size that will just blow your account on a single trade. If you have a good risk reward ratio, good management risks, you will be profitable in the long run. So guys, I'll still later do a video using this strategy to grow a small account. Let's say maybe $10, $20 thereabout. So if you are new viewers, I want you to subscribe and like and share this video, because I'm going to be posting more interesting content like this. So bye for now, guys.